Good morning, student. Today I will discuss class 7, chapter number 1, when, where and how. In my early classes, I already discussed how India got its name. So in here, I will go to discuss with you sources of history and building or monuments, these two things. Okay. So before going to discussions of this paragraph, we must know actually what is source. Source means a place, person or thing from which something originated or obtained. That means if we get something from particular one of the object, then it's called source. I want to give a simple example. If we get lights and energy from sun, then sun is a source for humankind. Clear? In here, we will discuss how buildings or monuments working as a source of history. That means how buildings or monuments get the informations of history. Clear? Building or monuments is a primary source, so we can get informations from buildings like art and architecture, social, economic, political life of the period in which they were constructed. Some examples are as follows. So in here, different buildings or monuments reflecting like Brihadeshwar Temple, Agra Fort, Jama Masjid, Charminar. These are all buildings. Actually, these buildings or monuments gives lots of information about the medieval period. That information is what? Like art and architecture, social and economic, and political life. So we take some example from Taj Mahal. Actually, how can Taj Mahal give information about history? Okay. We all know that Taj Mahal is a wonderful monument all over the world. Do you know who built the Taj Mahal? Actually, Taj Mahal built by Shah Jahan. What was the art and architecture of Taj Mahal? Do you know? The Indo-Islamic art and architecture was used in Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal also informed us religious and political conditions of Shah Jahan period. Therefore, Taj Mahal is considered as a historical source because it gives lot of information about the medieval period. So if we study the Brihadeshwar Temple, Brihadeshwar Temple also gives lot of information in which year actually it built, who built the Brihadeshwar Temple, what was the political conditions in that times. So that types of the information automatically come if we study the Brihadeshwar Temple. So these primary sources are also called archaeological things in medieval period. So while we talk in terms of archaeological things, that definitely come Agra Fort, Jama Masjid, Charminar, Taj Mahal. So this is the concluding portions of this paragraph. For next topic, you will see my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.